it goes in a movie or something. Parc Soleil. So we're gonna give you a quick room tour. So when you first walk in, you turn left, you're right into the bathroom, and the shower, it looks amazing. We love how the shower looks, and here's the toilet, obviously. Here's the mirror. Okay, and there's Tyler. So then you have your little area where you can store things, like a little wet bar. They have laundry detergent in here, which is great. They have soap to wash your dishes with, the sink. Obviously, all of these need to be re-washed. There we go. And they have all of these in here. And they are all soft close. If you can see that, they're closing on their own. Awesome. They have the microwave And all the little other appliances. Here's your small fridge that comes along with it. Forks and spoons. Oh, that's not soft close. Okay. Then they have this. If you have trouble with anything. Okay. All right. They have the mirror. Okay. And the bed. Obviously, the bed was made. Tyler was laying in it. It's fine. And this is what the overview looks like. So I thought I had the room with the balcony, but actually they gave me the room next to the room with the balcony, which is okay. I mean, it still looks great. It's fine. I just wanted to have a view of the fireworks at night, which is fine. Okay, and I like the tray ceilings, which look really good. There is your modern fan. And let's go in this door and see what this is. This is where your safe is. Ironing board, laundry, extra blankets, and iron. Okay. And we have another closet, which is here, which, uh-oh, I can't open it. Hold on. Tyler, can you open this, Tyler? What? Why won't this open? What's in here?
I don't know. It's under a regular key.
There's something in here. There's something in there or someone, I don't know, but it won't open. And I don't know why. I need to go downstairs and ask them why this door won't open. This cute little nightstand. Very cute. Love that. Then look at the floors, hardwood floors everywhere. Really cute. Another nightstand they have here. There's the headboard. And here's the view outside. So outside you get to see the lake, which is right here. And a little neighborhood that's over there as well. Some apartments and condos, it looks like. There's another lake. And if you can see all the way out there, I'm gonna try to point it out to you. There's Epcot. So I'm gonna try to point to Epcot for you. See if you can point it out, and I will show you. It's right there. So that's where the fireworks are supposed to be at night. And we were supposed to have the balcony, but I had looked outside and there's my balcony next door. So I do have a view of a balcony, technically, but it's not my balcony. It's everyone else's. But anyway, this is really, really pretty. The grounds are very gorgeous. And that's it. That's all I wanted to share. And I'll take you all around the rest of the resort later on. All right, we'll see y'all later. We're about to head out now. So they don't do housekeeping. Housekeeping is not done every day or every night. So basically you have to kind of just make do. During the amenity hours. For some reason I thought they had a washer and dryer. Maybe that was something else I saw. There it is, laundry. Laundry is in our tower, Tower 100. That's the tower we're in. What does that mean? 7, 10, and 14. And guys, here's the pool. This is one of the pools here. The other pool is over there. So I'm going to do a close up so you can see it. So that's one pool. And then there's the other one. And it closes at 11. So Tyler and I are going to go to the pool when we come back. But it should be before 11. Should be. But the balconies are very large.